$58,000 per year passively from an automated YouTube channel that they literally created 2 months ago. If you see right over here, they are earning about $51,000 every single month or $61,000 per year, all on not having to film, edit, or script any of the videos themselves. And I'm going to reveal 4 specific channel examples you can get started with today. Hey, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you 5 highly profitable niches to get started with on YouTube. If you are trying to start a faceless automated YouTube channel now, before we jump into it, make sure to hit the subscribe button down below this video and smash the thumbs up button for the YouTube algorithm to see. Now take a look at this first channel right here. This first channel is called the Finance Value Guy. This is a completely faceless YouTube automation channel and they have 1,77,000 subscribers and they are doing videos about personal finance and a little bit about cryptocurrency. So this channel right here is one of the most highest CPM niches, meaning they get paid upward of $25 to $35 per 1,000 views. Now, if we go over to Social Blade, which is a great website to get an estimate of how much they are earning, it says they are earning about $461 per month. This is absolutely wrong because if you hover over the little question mark, it says the default estimated CPM range for Social Blade is 25 cents to $4. So they are guest estimating that they are only making $4 per 1,000 views. We know they are making $25 to $35 per 1,000 views. So we could safely multiply this by 8 or even as high as 10 in a bull market. And they are earning anywhere from $3,000 to $4,000 every single month passively, which is a great source of income considering they don't have to make any of the videos themselves. Now let's go ahead and move over to the second channel now. This one's called Satoshi Stacker. The niche that this is in straight up is cryptocurrency. The cryptocurrency niche unfortunately is at the lower end of the CPM because cryptocurrency advertisers are not as prominent, but they are going to be very soon here as the crypto market goes up. So this channel right now is probably earning $10 per 1,000 views, but on the high end they are going to be earning $20 per 1,000 views. It's still high CPM net, just on the lower end of high CPM, which I believe high CPM is anything $8 or above. So as you can see, they make faceless videos about Bitcoin, the Bitcoin chart, Bitcoin whales. They are really doing a lot of just Bitcoin content. It's cool because they have channels in other languages as well, which is very cool. Now the great part about it is if you click on any of the videos, let's just click this one. Okay, you can see that in the description they have affiliate links as well, which they are probably earning at least $2,000 to $5,000 per month. Now if we go over to Social Blade, it says they are earning about $2,700 per month just from YouTube and ad revenue. Okay, they are excluding their affiliate offers, right? So if we hover over a little question mark, again 25 cents to $4 CPM, we know this is probably right. Let's just say it's the lowest end. They are earning double this amount, so they are earning over $55,000 per month passively, and they are probably earning another $2,000 to $5,000 in affiliate commissions every single month. So they may be making upward of $10,000 per month from this particular channel, and I guarantee that they actually love the niche that their faceless channel is in as well. You could hear it in their videos. So this is a great channel example and a great niche to get started with. If you are a complete beginner and maybe you enjoy this particular niche because there's not a lot of competition right now, and obviously the crypto market has not really peaked out or taken off yet, so this is a great niche to get into. Now the third channel we are going to look at is called Sigma Male. Now this channel is a super popular channel right now because it's in the male self-development niche. So probably 100% of the viewers on this channel are males, which advertisers pay more for, number one, and number two, because there's a lot of young men that want to get better financially. They want to become more independent, more successful, and also attract wonderful partners into their life. So this channel right here is helping out a lot of young men, and it is a very high CPM niche, upward of $15 to $25 per 1,000 views. Now if we go over to the Social Blade, it says they are earning about $28,000 per month, We know this is absolutely wrong. We could safely multiply this number by 4, and that's closer to what they are earning. So they are earning over 9, maybe even $10,000 per month passively from a channel with 80,000 subscribers or above, which is pretty good. Okay, so they are earning upward of 80 to 1,10,000 per year passively, a six-figure income from a niche. That is wonderful. It's helping young men out there and it's very profitable. So it's a great niche to get started with, especially if you have interest in it. It's going to be definitely help to have interest in the niche that you want to go into, even though you are not making the videos okay. Now the fourth channel is called Masculinity Guidance. Now this one is just straight up like dating advice, male dating advice. As you could see how high value men talk to women, flirting tricks that work for 99% of women, and they are getting 67,000 to 1,14,000, getting hundred of thousands of views on their videos, and this is a very popular channel in that particular niche as well, which is self-development niche, being male self-development. So if you look over at Social Blade, it says they are earning about $25,000 a month. Again, I would multiply this by 4 because they are in like a $5 to $25 CPM niche, so they are earning upward of $9,000 per month or over $1 lakh per year passively from this channel. And it makes sense because they are gaining like anywhere from 24,000 views to as low as 16,000 views per day on their videos. So this channel is another great channel to get started with now, but I'm going to link another tutorial right here. Go ahead and check this out, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.